Amazing facts about Gracie Singh. First, Gracie Singh is an Indian film and television actress. Second, Gracie Singh was born on 20th July 1980 in Delhi, India. Third, Gracie did her schooling from Manav Sthali School, Delhi, and completed graduation in arts. Fourth, Gracie Singh began her professional touring career with the dance group The Planets. Fifth, Gracie Singh started her acting career in 1997 with Zee TV's Indian soap opera Amanat. Sixth, in addition, she appeared in the supporting role in Hum Aapke Dil Mein Rehte Hain and Hu Tu Tu. Seventh, next in 2001, she appeared in the film Lagaan, Once Upon a Time in India, where she played the role of Gauri opposite Aamir Khan. Eighth, another movie that was a huge hit was Munna Bhai MBBS in 2003. Ninth, Gracie Singh portrayed both Santoshi Ma and Sadhvi Ma in the television series Santoshi Ma, which aired from 2015 until 2017. 10th, Gracie became a member of the Brahma Kumari World Spiritual University in 2013. Subscribe the channel.